Good morning, my Moto family. Hopefully all you guys are doing great. It's your boy PD back again with another video yet again. Yes, it's still morning for me right now. But I wanted to go ahead and do this video because I did mention it in a few of my previous videos that I wanted to do an unboxing for these two items. Now, with that being said, I want to give you guys a great shout out, a great deal. It means so much to me that you guys have reached out. I still haven't received the part. I still haven't given the company a phone call yet to find out what is the status on my order, if it's available or not. I refreshed their website to see if any updates have become available, but nothing has become available as of yet. And we're still waiting on all of that. So hopefully I'll hear something from them today. If not, I'm gonna give them a call and see what is the status. But I would give a shout out to you guys because you guys have been the best, the absolute best. You guys have been giving me any directions, websites, hit me up on YouTube, Instagram. I'll throw the link up there so you guys can see where you guys can go to my Instagram if you guys prefer to reach out to me there, which is easier. I love the comments. You guys have been wonderful with all of that. Now, with that being said, I want to go ahead and bring to you guys the two biggest companies as far as helmet goes. There's two of them that I own currently, which I will turn around and show you guys right now. So there's this one, the AGV Pista Winter Edition. It's a gorgeous helmet, super comfortable. It's what I currently use for vlogging, as you guys can see. I have my vlogging set up for my GoPro. This one's the Shoei X-14. This helmet is amazing looking. I think it's gorgeous, like what they did with the scheme of the whole, you know, the feather and how it actually changes colors. I'm not sure if that's gonna pick up. You can kind of see some purple coming through. It is a gorgeous helmet, let me just tell you. These two helmets are amazing. I can only speak for myself when I say this is the helmet that's more ideal for my usage. This one is nice and snug, it's great. Some people will prefer the Shoei over the AGV. Now, with that being said, few key things that I've noticed about the helmet, and this is, again, this is preference, this is me, my experience with this whole thing. So with this helmet, as you guys can see, this comes down a little bit lower. The AGV has this cutaway right here, which makes it great for my shoulders. I have pretty big shoulders. So this comes down further, which is good. But when you're wearing like a jacket, you know, like a riding jacket, it kind of gets in the way when you're trying to look around. I don't have like the longest neck. So for me, again, everyone is different. For me, this helmet doesn't do it for me. The other factor is the line of view. If you guys can see the line of view of this helmet. So as you guys can see, the line of sight is pretty good. It's not bad at all. But I have to give it to AGV. Their line of sight is I could see a lot more. Like there's more. You can see more. I don't know what exactly how they designed this helmet, but this thing, the line of view between top, bottom, and left and right, the line of sight is just incredible. When I put this helmet on, I immediately felt my vision was a little more cramped. All I'm saying is that this is a preference that I have and what works for me. So now that I've tried the AGV and I've tried the Shoei X-14, this is gonna be my go-to. I'm gonna stick with this company because it's comfortable, it's great. They both have their pros and cons, they both do. You're gonna feel, I guess, the best way to describe it is that this helmet, you're going to feel more secure, I guess is the word. It's super comfortable. Everything inside of it is super plush. And it's the same thing with the AGV. So they're both great, amazing helmets. The only thing I can say that Shoei is quieter, not by a lot, but it is quieter. I can go down the highway without having to wear earplugs. I still wear them because I want to protect my ears anyways, but this helmet it is quieter than this helmet. This helmet is very loud. But again, I wear earplugs, so it doesn't affect me in any way, because I'm a musician also, if you guys don't know. I play loud, so when I'm out in the streets, I don't want to beat up my ears. So this one doesn't have any way to control to open or close these vents. The only place they have it is inside. You see how that opens and that closes? That's the only place where there's vents. But this helmet ventilates so well. But again, this helmet works for me because I live in Florida and it's always, 90% of the time it's always hot. So the airflow is amazing. This one has vents everywhere. It's ridiculous. Like you got one here, you got one here, you got another one up here. You can move up and down. You have another one up here. Like here's one closed, halfway, fully open. It's ridiculous. But again, it's an amazing helmet. It's just not meant for me. It's from my perspective. This helmet is still very, very stable. Like when you are tucked in doing high mileage in Mexico, this helmet is super steady. This one is also extremely steady. However, AGV has the upper hand on that one. Yeah, you have 3 more outlets here and you have 2 back here. Now, here's another thing that I noticed. When I'm wearing my jacket, okay, this helmet, it's easier for me to look up with this helmet because if you guys notice, this thing has a little bit of a cutaway back here, which it helps so much. So much. This helmet, it comes further down. So for me to look upwards, the hump kind of gets in the way, or my jacket. So there's that resistance. Again, like looking left, right, there's resistance. And then when I'm looking up, there's resistance because it covers too much. So I have to give it to AGV when it comes to that. You see the little bit of a cutaway here. You notice that, and then there's a little bit of a cutaway here. So this is great. This is an opening for the shoulders. If you were to get into an accident, this will prevent you from breaking your collarbone. I've broken that collarbone when I was a kid, so I have that experience. And yes, it happened with a helmet that was not made for kids, because at the time I was about 10 years old. So guys, that's my review on these 2 helmets. These are 2 amazing helmets. But I'm just pointing out the fact that what works for me may not be the same for you. The Shoei might be the go-to helmet for yourself. For me, it just didn't work out. These 2 helmets are amazing, but I have to give it to AGV. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna end up selling this helmet. So if you guys are interested in this helmet, these are the Ride Tech GoPro mounts. I'm throwing these in. I paid for these with my own money, so I'm throwing these in also. So if you guys are interested and want to know more about this helmet, hit me up on Instagram. Again, I'll throw my page up here and you guys can just hit me up there. So that's basically it. I wanted to do a quick comparison of these 2 helmets. By the way, also, I'm throwing in the smoke visor. The clear visor is in the box. Everything that came in the box is still in the box. The booklet, the warranty, you also have a 5-year warranty on this, as you can see. So all of that stuff is gonna be included, plus some goodies. So you'll have an additional visor at no extra cost, and you'll have the Ride Tech GoPro mounts at no additional cost. So you'll be ready to go and vlog. You just need your GoPro or whatever device you use. All right, guys. So that'll be it for the helmet. I'm gonna throw in some cinematic shots. You guys check it out. And for those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Big thumbs up. Love you guys. You guys been showing me a lot of love, which I absolutely enjoy. And for those of you who are coming in brand new, you guys are coming in hot. And let me just tell you, I'm thoroughly enjoying it. You guys are throwing your comments below, helping me out, hitting me up on Instagram, helping your boy out with some struggles, trying to get these headers. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the Moto channel. Your boy PD is out. Enjoy the cinematic shots. Peace.